Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making tachos. Alright guys, I'm starting out here on a sheet pan. I have some tater tots that I baked in the oven for about 20 minutes at 450, get them nice and crispy. There's some parchment paper here so it's easy cleanup. Now if you're in a part of the world that doesn't have tater tots, just dice up some potatoes and roast them in the oven until they're brown and tender. But I probably won't use parchment paper with that. Now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to put that over top of our tater tots. And guys, this is a real quick and easy recipe. It could be used as a meal, which that's what I'm using it for. You could use it as a side dish or an appetizer. You just want to get a nice healthy coating of cheddar cheese on there. I'd say probably about a cup and a half. Alright, that's looking good, guys. I have some bacon here that I baked in the oven and broke up. I'm going to get that in there, and it's big chunks of bacon. It's not little tiny pieces, that's fine. You just want to spread that around in there. And try not to drop it on the floor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in that 450-degree oven for about 5 minutes till the cheese melts. And then we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, these just came out of the oven. They went for 5 minutes. See, my cheese is nice and melted on there. Now I'm going to take a pack of ranch seasoning mix. Not ranch dressing mix, but ranch seasoning mix. And we're going to sprinkle it over top of our tachos. And I'm holding up a little high to get a little better even distribution of this stuff. And I think I'm only going to use about a half a pack of seasoning, guys. We'll just fold this up neat and save it for something else. Alright, now here comes the part I'm not too crazy about, but I'm doing it for the sake of the video. I'm going to take some sour cream and blob it down on there. And this is an 8-ounce container of sour cream that I just put into a disposable styrofoam bowl. I just want to get it all on there. It's people who have been watching my videos for a while just know how much I love sour cream. Yeah, right. And I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. Alright. I'm going to take the rest of my bacon and put it on here. I think we were going to stop with just that little bit of bacon, guys. And I have some green onion I sliced up. We're going to get that on there. A little bit more to go, guys. And green onion is going to give it a nice, fresh flavor. Nice freshness. And green onion I like a lot on cooking. And then, now this is optional. I had a tomato I had to use up. I diced up a red tomato. I'm just going to go on there with it. And my son Greg, he's my middle son, he's 20 years old. He doesn't like tomato, but he likes sour cream. Well, I don't like sour cream, so we're both going to have to bite the bullet on this one. Get my tomato down on there. Isn't that pretty looking, guys? Alright guys, let me dish up a plate and we'll give this a taste. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Make sure I get a piece with some of that sour cream on there. Some bacon. That's really good, guys. You get the creaminess from the sour cream, and it's really not that bad with everything else added in there. Get a nice zesty flavor from that ranch dressing. Nice crunch from the bacon and the tater tots. Creaminess of the tater tot. Let me try a little bit of tomato and the green onion on the next bite here, guys. Nice freshness from the tomato and the green onion. That was really easy and delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Totchos. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.